Try to find time for us to get together tonight. I'm going to play you a couple of tunes. Let's get into it. Good. Let's get into it. 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 Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get into it. Let's get in. Let's get into it. Let's get in. Let's get into it.
finished kind of getting myself ready for the day. I'm working. I've been working now for like the last 2 hours. And the kids are slowly but surely like getting themselves up. So Cam is having his cereal. I'm sitting here looking at him with a face full of milk. Caden has not gotten up yet. Like, he's been kind of like back and forth. So he'll probably eat something when he wakes up, probably maybe like a breakfast sandwich. I have prepped myself for the evening. So on Wednesdays, those are like my midweek self-care days. I typically like will do like, well, I'm probably not going to do it tonight, I'm not going to lie, but typically I'll do like a face mask or like my extensive nighttime skincare routine. I watch Sisters. That's the night that I get to enjoy a glass of wine and watch my favorite show. So if y'all don't watch Sisters, you're missing out. It's one of my favorite shows. We are like episode 3, if I'm not mistaken, in the season 6. It's getting juicy. It's getting good. Karen was caught, well, she hasn't been caught yet, but she went into the salon because it was on fire, and Pam is just like rolling up on it. So we're going to see what season 6, episode 3 is giving, but I'm getting ready to actually drink my green juice for the day. Just pulling out a glass. All right, so this is the green juice that I like. This one I've been drinking now for probably the last like 3 weeks, but it is my favorite. I've tried the Suja. I don't like Bolt House anything. I just feel like it's not what it says it's supposed to be. Like, I feel like Bolt House is very gimmicky, but this Evolution Fresh Organic Super Fruit Greens juice, cold pressed juice, is amazing. So if I don't have it like midday in the afternoon with a snack, which right now I'm just going to be having these Nutrition omega-3 mix. It has cashews, walnuts, raisins, cinnamon, apple pieces, which are soft, which I love, and a touch of sea salt. I'm gonna have some of these with my green juice. If I don't have it with my breakfast, I have it with like just as a midday like pick me up. It's only 110 calories for the cup, and one of these is about 4 days of juice. So if you're doing it by the serving size, which is just the cup, girl. So I'll be good for tomorrow. There we go. So I just put it in a glass. These are those Better Homes and Gardens glasses I told y'all I love. So that, I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna sit and enjoy this really quick before I get back to work because I'm just on a small break. Kaden actually just woke up. What do you want, a breakfast sandwich? Okay, I'll make your breakfast sandwich in a little bit when I come off break. Yeah, so they're gonna, like I said, get themselves together, get up, eat, things of that nature. I'm going to have a snack because I have been up since about 7 this morning, and kind of mosey our way into the remainder of the day. Like I said, it is Wednesday, so for dinner I'm making chicken Alfredo, garlic bread, and mixed green salad for dinner, and I'm actually going to cook that when I'm on my lunch break, so that way when Clarence gets home, if he's hungry, he can go ahead and eat. But let me enjoy my little break, and then I'll come back and check in with you guys. We are back. It's been several hours, so it's a little bit after 2 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go ahead and start dinner. I am, like I said, making chicken Alfredo. I'm going to be using chicken tenderloins. I go back and forth. Sometimes chicken breast is too dry for me, so I'll either do things with chicken thighs or chicken tenderloins because it's easier. I'm going to be using this Prego artesian 4 cheese sauce and my new favorite angel hair pasta, which is the Rumo. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's the #1 angel hair pasta. I get it from Publix on like the little BOGO. So gonna be using this to season the chicken. I'm gonna use a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, And then I've been enjoying this Grill Mates by McCormick's garlic butter seasoning. So I'm using a little bit of this too. I like to season my chicken and everything beforehand. So I'm gonna bring you guys down off this tripod, wash my hands, and get started.
I need you right about now. I need you right about now. I need you right about now. Hey, hey. Read your body language, see we conversating, watching how you move, yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day. We're taking turns when I play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position on your knees, but ain't got nothing to pay. Yeah, yeah. Wonder if you stay for a while. Never wanna lose on our time. You know how I need it right now. Come on, baby, take me for a ride. All I think about is you, and I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. Fulfill your desires, put your hands on me. Run your fingers all around my thighs. Play me like a key. Loving how you show me why you're mine. Come and take the lead. Play out all the things you had in mind. All your fantasies. Focus on me, then repeat. Make me hit that do-re-mi. Not a type of sit back, bodies in contact. Come on, let me give you all of me. Whether we're loving or fucking, placing our bed like it's all in or nothing. Don't mind if I meet what's your introduction. Know what to do when I text you, I'm coming. All I think about is you, and I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. Yeah. I need you right about now. I need you right about now. I need you right about now. Hey, hey. Read your body language, see we conversating, watching how you move, yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day. We're taking turns when I play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the hands on me, run your fingers all around my thighs, play me like a key. Loving how you show me why you're mine. Come and take the lead, play out all the things you had in mind, all your fantasies. Focus on me, then repeat. Make me hit that do re mi. Not the type of sit back, bodies in contact. Come on, let me give you all of me. Whether we're loving or fucking, placing our bed like it's all in or nothing. Don't mind if I me what's your introduction. Know what to do when I text you, I'm coming. All I think about is you, and I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close the vlog out here. Clarence and I just finished Sisters. It was good. I just hopped out of the shower. It's about 10:34. It goes off at 10. I just hopped out of the shower. Clarence just hopped in the shower. I'm in one of my favorite pairs of jammies. If y'all don't know, I like jammies. Like, I'm a jammies girl. These are from Nordstrom. They're the BP brand, but y'all, they wash up amazingly well. I've had these now. I got these during the anniversary sale last year. I'm considering getting another pair in the anniversary sale this year. Oh, really swiftly before I close out the vlog with you guys, I wanted to mention, I'm a couple glasses of wine in, y'all. Did y'all watch Sisters? It was so good, okay? Enjoying my wine. But I wanted to talk to you guys about this Starbucks vanilla. I don't know. I have not heard anybody talk about this, but I went in Kroger last week just doing my normal grocery shopping, and I came across it in the coffee aisle. And I know that Nespresso has changed their flavors. So like if you were in love with the vanilla custard like I was, and I was in love with the vanilla flavor that they had before then, They have now turned it into like sweet vanilla, I think. And I'll be honest, when I check the ingredients and stuff, I noticed that they're now using some artificial flavors and some things, and I think that's the difference in the taste. I'm not a fan, but I have been enjoying these Starbucks vanilla, creamy vanilla flavored coffees, the pods, really, really good. I always get the Starbucks ones just when I'm like in betwixt. I haven't placed an order with Nespresso, or I haven't made it into the store. I've already dispensed them, but stuff like that. That's when I typically order these. But I saw these and I thought it was interesting. I went in there 2 days ago and I noticed that they have a golden vanilla, no, a golden caramel, like next to it, like a barcode situation next to it. I didn't see it. I looked all the way up top, because that's like the secret in the grocery store. Look all the way at the top. If you're like, you know, if you see it and you don't see the item, look at the top. You may find it. That's where they keep the extra stock. But I didn't see it, but I'm on the hunt for it. I'm looking for it. I will probably try that out too. But I'll be honest, you guys, between making my own cold brew at home, I'm about to buy a reusable Nespresso pod system, so I could just use the ground coffee that I get on BOGO from Publix. Like, I've been saving so much money on coffee, it's unreal. Like, I literally only go to Starbucks and stuff like that when I get my Fetch Rewards gift cards, where I get the $5 and the $10. I get those maybe like once to twice a month. So, and then I don't always go to Starbucks. Like, literally, there are months that go by that I just don't go. And so I kind of build up all those little gift cards too. So I always have free Starbucks. Y'all, it's been probably almost 2 years since I've actually paid for Starbucks. I'm just being for real. And if I did, it was $2 here, because I'm using up the rest of a gift card. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm going to close the vlog out here with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed Sisters. If y'all watch Sisters, let me know how you felt in the comments below. It was a very, very good episode. I hope Zach get his baby, because the way they doing that baby is just wrong. Okay? But I'll see y'all in the next vlog.